Let's see what we are going to make today. This is frozen godamba roti. I am going to make kottu roti today. Are you all set? Okay, let's go see how we can make it. Ta-da! You are here to taste some of my kottu for dinner. Look how good it looks. Are you ready to eat it? I'll be using some carrots, spring onions, unsalted butter. I will use half of this, which is about 4 tablespoons. Eggs, you can use as many as you want or less as you want, or you can skip it, but I am going to use 5 eggs. This is for 5 people, so I'm going to use this frozen one. Usually I use frozen parata, but today I am making my recipe a little bit different. Let's see how it goes, okay? I also have homemade chili paste. It smells so good. If you check my channel, you will find the recipe. This is so easy. Smells so good, and we tried some for lunch today. So good. Over here I have some chicken. I boiled the chicken with salt and black pepper, and when it was fully boiled I pulled the meat apart, and this is not warm, this is at room temperature. So are you ready to go make the kottu? Let's go. Hope you like the video, guys. See how easy it is to make kottu using frozen godamba. I will be serving this with a lamb curry. You can serve it with chicken curry, fish curry, or just as it is, depending on how you like to eat it. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. And if you have not subscribed to Gloria's Platter, this is the time to do so. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.